Hello there, welcome back to the second part of this tutorial video on ethical hacking. And in this whole tutorial video we'll be discussing from the basic theories to the advanced practical examples, and the further we go in this tutorial video we'll be finding ourselves with the more intermediate and advanced, as we'll be covering the whole process with ethical hacking. So what even is ethical hacking? Ethical hacking is a process of finding vulnerabilities within a system. These systems can be a device within a network, or a single one type of device, or it can be websites, or in general it can be the whole infrastructure of a company. So ethical hacking is finding vulnerabilities in systems, and an attacker or ethical hacker can use this process to find exploits within these systems. So ethical hacking is finding a target machine or a system and trying to find vulnerabilities, and using this vulnerabilities trying to exploit the devices. And in the other way, they use this process in order to prevent the system from cyber attacks or any potential negative things that can impact the company harmfully. So there are this kind of people who have the authorization or the permission to do this kind of attacking a mission ethically and trying to find vulnerabilities, and we call these people the white hat hackers. So these kind of people have permission, or they have the authorization to target each system, and they are there to find vulnerabilities and finding those vulnerabilities, trying to exploit it, and in the other way patching these weaknesses within that system. But in the other hand, we have the black hat hackers, and these are the evil ones. So these people don't have any authorization or permission to target any system. They are the evil guys, so they can target your mission or system. They can try to steal your money, or encrypt your whole file system, or even ask you for a big ransomware. So we don't want to deal this with black hat hackers. So as a disclaimer, in this whole tutorial video we'll only be doing white hat hackers. You should do this hacking ethically. That's why it's called ethical hacking. You should only target missions that you only have permission to. That's why we will be creating target missions in which we have permissions, and these are installed virtually. So this is all about what ethical hacking is, and in the next video we'll be covering the 5 stages of penetration testing, and we will briefly discuss each step and try to talk about their each individual tasks. So I hope you get something, and see you in next video.